Hello, I'm Jeff from First Choice Mobility Limited, and today I'm going to introduce a new product and show you some of its features. Here we have the Foldalite Trekker folding power chair. It's in its folding position at the moment. First of all, you take off the kickstand, lay it down, that's it unfolded. Flip up the arms, fit the joystick into place, and then you can turn on. Joystick is a nice clear LCD colour display with a function here where you can change the menu settings. You have the battery indicator here, and you have the speed indicator here. On the underside of the joystick we can see where you charge the Trekker. On the side we have a little port for USB where you can charge your phone whilst out and about. The Trekker has a folding backrest which you can have at different angles and fold right back for when you're closing it. So on the chair, put the foot plate down, fully manoeuvrable chair, nice and smooth. Foldalite Trekker has a 22-inch gap between the armrests and is capable of carrying a person up to 23 stone. Has a nice feature here with these knee guards. If you have a condition where your legs splay, you can use these to stop your legs from swinging out. Get the chair ready for folding. First of all, we undo the joystick lead. Put the joystick off. Flip back the arms. Lift up your foot plate. At the back here, we have two clips which we push together. Allow you to fold the chair down, put your little kickstand up, now allows you to stand the chair up, ready for your getting into the vehicle. For further information, details or specification, visit our website or call one of the team.